Allow yourself to feel comfortable, light-hearted, and relaxed. Thank yourself for making time to think about nothing else and just be grateful about life. Use these few minutes to look inward and notice everything that you are feeling inside. Let's start by sitting in a comfortable position, closing your eyes, and start breathing in and breathing out slowly. Take a deep breath through your nose and let it all out through your mouth. As your chest expands, notice the air going in and out of your body. Notice the beating of your heart. As you direct your attention inward, think about something in your life you are very grateful for. Think about where you can feel that in your body. Let yourself sink into that feeling. Surrender to it. Bring your awareness to your eyes that let you see the sun, the moon, the clouds, the mountains, the ocean, the beauty of life. Bring your awareness to your ears that let you hear music, laughter, the voices of those you love, the silence. Bring your awareness to your nose that lets you smell the perfume you wear, the food that is set on your table, the flowers, the fresh air. Bring your awareness to your lips and mouth that tastes and savors and nourishes, kisses and speaks, that whispers and sings. Bring your awareness to your hands that let you stretch, applaud, hold, hug, and caress. Bring your awareness to your feet, your toes, which make you walk, run, dance, and leap. Now just breathe and feel more grace and more ease. Experience the warmth and love that gratitude brings into your heart. Drift your awareness to the relationships you have with others, the home you have built, and the beauty that lies within you. Be grateful as you inhale. Be grateful as you exhale. For the last time, inhale, exhale. And on your own time, slowly bring your awareness back to where you are. And when you are ready, you can now gently open your eyes and enjoy the rest of your day. Om Shanti.